Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm David, one of the many cash register guys here at National Business Systems. What I wanted to show you today was one of the newer register point of sale systems from SAM4s. This is the SAP-630R. There are several 630s. There is a 630 flat or a 630F and the 630 raised, also known as the 630R. The only difference is the 630R has raised keys. If you can see these buttons, they're raised keys rather than flat buttons, which would be better suited for a restaurant. So this is SAM4s's flagship register for convenience stores, liquor stores, smoke shops, general retail, grocery. It is a fantastic new machine. As you can see, it features a 10-inch color touchscreen. The touchscreen can be used to sell items, choose modifiers, programming, etc. It uses a traditional key lock system that you'd be familiar with if you're a register user. See, it has the keys. The mode lock is right there that allows you to turn it from register to program, etc. Out of the box, the system comes with 15 departments on the keyboard plus all your function keys. I've got it connected to a code 950 scanner. This is an image scanner. You can connect it to the Honeywell 3780, the 7120, which is the Orbit, several other of the codes. I like this particular code because, as you can see, it's very small. It's a presentation scanner, but it also comes out of the stand. It is an image scanner, which is really important. Very soon, this register will have the ability to do age verification directly through a scanner like this, but it will have to be an image scanner, not a laser scanner. So this happens to be an image scanner. So we'll just sell something really quickly here. All you have to do is wave the item in front of the scanner and it picks it up. It's ringing it up here. I know you can't see it from that distance, but it's ringing it up here. It's always showing you your subtotal. We're just going to press the cash button, and the system has a 5 coin insert. The tray is removable if you'd like. Has an onboard receipt printer. This is 3 1/8 inch. So with the 630s, whether it's the R or the F, there is no journal take-up spool. It is just a receipt. It does keep an electronic journal, and you can access your previous transactions very, very easily. As a matter of fact, if we wanted to go back and look at some of our transactions right now, I'm just going to finalize that sale, hit reprint transactions. Here's all my transactions I've had. I can go ahead and highlight just the one I want and hit reprint, and it will reprint that transaction. That could be from days ago, weeks ago, whatever it happens to be. Then I'll exit that mode. Capabilities, this register is capable of tens of thousands of UPCs without any type of memory upgrade. There is no memory upgrade. It's got everything it's ever going to need. It is capable of credit card interface, EBT, debit. It also has a mobile app that's available as an option, so you can get your reports on your mobile phone. It also has an optional tablet that I've got here. This is a 10-inch tablet that's running the same application. This tablet has a built-in 2D scanner. Probably can't see it on the screen, but there's the scanner here. So you can scan items. You can use this tablet to sell items. You can use this tablet to go out into your store to change prices or add items, anything like that. It's fantastic. It's completely live. You add an item over here and save it, it's in the register instantly. The register does have a rear display here. It's hard to see behind this one, but it does have a small customer display back here. It's a very complete system. Couple things that this register does that traditional registers were never able to do is this register takes reports by date range, not the traditional X and Z that you're familiar with if you've used registers in the past. This is a wonderful advantage because now you can go back and see what you sold for the last week, see what you sold for the last 3 days. Whatever it is, you just put in the date range that you want. This register also has the ability to email you reports. So without touching it, at a certain time of day, it will email you the end of day reports. It won't print a report at the register unless you wanted it to. That way it allows you to run a blind drop operation, so your cashiers don't get to take a report and see how much money they should have. It just simply emails you the reports. It's a very complete system. One last thing, it also allows us to do remote support. This register does operate on an Android operating system, and with that we can use AnyDesk or TeamViewer, and we can log into this register live with you to do the training. So it works out very nicely. This is not the register that you're familiar with from 5 years ago. This really is a hybrid point-of-sale cash register system. A lot of options coming down the road, like the age verification. Hopefully scan data will be available soon. So if you have any questions on this register, or you would like to schedule an online demo so you can log into this register and we'll do a complete demonstration with you, give us a call at 1-800-863-2274, or as always, find us online at thecashregisterguys.com. Thanks a lot, and give me a call if you have any questions. Thanks.